by MeElectronics. Just got these in the mail, so we're gonna go ahead and open it up. Take off the tape. Nice packaging. And open it up. There we go. I'm gonna put the box to the side. Okay. Here we got the user manual. We got, looks like the charging cord and the actual, if you don't want to do a wireless, a holding pouch, and the headphones themselves. Look at these. Oh, these are really light. So, of course, as you see, I got the pink ones. We're gonna, before we take off the plastic, I'm gonna show you the controls. Power, the hang up and call button, skip, volume. There's a nice runaway there. Nice. Alright, let's take this off. It's really nice. There we go. Alright, these are really nice and comfortable. Very cushy on the head and the ears. Different design. I haven't seen this before. Nice folding. Looks really sleek. It's really light too. It's nice. So the box has the front, and then the back has compatibility, Apple devices, Android, BlackBerry, Macs and PCs, and Bluetooth enabled devices. Has some about the headphones themselves. There you go. And that was a quick unboxing of the Runaway headphones.